Hello, I'm Chaparral from Chaparral Motorsports, and down here on my lower half is the Switchback cargo pant from KLIM. This is going to be a great on the bike, off the bike, and everyday wear pant from KLIM. Now there's some neat things they built into this pant that you might like if you're one of those guys who spends all day on the bike, wants to hike around when you get there, and you don't want to look like you're Mr. Adventure Man when you get off the bike. The first thing that KLIM did with these particular pants is they wanted to be able to make sure you could remove the armor easily so you're not walking around in an armored pant. Take a look at this. You simply reach down, pull this snap, reach into the pant. So on the inside of this pocket here, there's a very large strip of Velcro that you can then affix this pad to that perfect location for your particular body. Just that easily, the pad comes out and you don't have this large knee pad hanging around as you continue throughout your day of activities. Now, a nice feature of these pads is they are vented pads. You see that this particular set of D3O has more holes in it than a traditional piece of D3O. That's going to allow these pants to breathe extremely well. Another way these pants breathe is this material here on the top is a carbonite micro mesh. It may look like a solid piece of material, but it actually has small holes in it, so ventilation flows straight through. Replacing my knee armor here really quick, I'm going to go ahead and cover the Velcro with my hands, slide the knee pad down into place, and then affix it by securing the Velcro. In addition to the micro mesh, these actually have vents built into the side of them. Simply open the vent to get maximum ventilation on both sides of the pant. Additionally, on extremely hot days, you can reach down to the bottom here and crack this zipper in order to allow even more airflow. Now these Switchback pants are cargo pants and they have 6 pockets. You've got 2 hand warmer pockets. We have a zippered pocket on this side. We have a snap pocket here on the right hand side. And moving around to the back, we have another zippered pocket here and a slip pocket over here on this side. When it comes to a waist closure, there's a single button here on the front of the pant and then a nice zipper. There is no waist adjustment here on the sides. This Switchback pant requires the use of a belt in order to get that perfect fit. Now, just for the record, I'm currently wearing a size 34 pant. I am 5 foot 9 inches tall, typically wear a 34-inch inseam, and the pair of pants that I'm wearing right here is a 34 waist. Now, I am weighing in at 195 at the moment, and I would probably size up to the 36 if I were going to be wearing these pants for a long ride. That pant has essentially the same length, but the only thing changes is the size of the waist, which then I could then adjust with the belt. Moving down to getting in and out of these pants, there is a zip and a snap closure here at the bottom. So if you want them nice and loose, you can go ahead and just snap it out here. You can actually even open them up and snap them like this if you wanted more ventilation out of the pant, or if you're going around a moto style boot. If you're wearing a smaller boot, such as these Outlander GTXs, you can actually pull this all the way around. It actually has a piece of elastic built in there in order to get you a good fit around the boot. In addition to D3O in the knees, we also have D3O here in the hips. Now that's simply removed by undoing the waist strap, reaching down in the pocket, and quickly pulling it out. And there you have it, the finer details of the Switchback cargo pant from KLIM. This is a very comfortable all-day wear pant, allowing you to be safe, protected, and comfortable when out there adventuring or touring around. I'm Kyle Bradshaw. If you like what you saw today, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want more action like this coming directly to your inbox, please hit that subscribe button, and more importantly, the notification bell, so you can be part of the notification squad. Until next time, and as always, take care and ride safe out there.